Hi, my name is Yelena Ava Ristic, and I am the owner and content creator here at Savvy and Spirited. I'm here to personally welcome you to our monthly Mantra and Mandala workshop series page. I wanted to let you know how I created these workshops and why I believe they're so different from anything you've ever experienced before. My goal for these workshops was to make sure that they are not the kind of workshop that maybe you have a blast at that are wonderful while they last, but you forget about a week to a month after you've taken them and you've spent all this money. Could be a little money, could be a lot of money, it's often a lot of money, and then come away with just a sort of faint memory of a nice experience rather than the workshop having truly transformed you. These workshops are designed to be transformational experiences, meaning that by the end of them, you're going to see something that you can't unsee. And you will have changed, and your perspective will have changed, and your habits will have changed. That's what they're designed for, to be very powerful, extremely effective, memorable, moving, and not expensive, so that they are accessible to anyone and everyone who would like to do one. We also end each month with a podcast. We have a podcast called Mantras, Mandalas, and Meaning, where we discuss our experience during the workshop, me and Sasha. Sasha also helps me run Savvy and Spirited, and she is my muse in a lot of things, and she's loads of fun. So I would really invite you and encourage you to watch a couple of those if you're still curious about the workshop series before you jump in. So the way the workshops work is that you will purchase a journal or a guidebook, journal/guidebook, that contains in it the topic and description about the topic, some teaching, as well as questions and exercises that are meant to be applied and reapplied, not only as an exercise that you write in the workbook, but things that you apply in your real life and observe in your everyday life, how they affect you, how they change you, how maybe they change your relationship with others around you. They're meant to be integrated into your life. You'll come back, reflect, refine, reapply, and then summarize at the end. So they will be a guide. While you're doing the workshop during the month, you also have a meditation that is designed by me and a mantra that you will be able to repeat both during the meditation for sure, but also throughout the month as you need it, often enough that it will sink in and become a part of you and be something that anchors you when you need to access that knowledge once again. And finally, kind of like, but thankfully not at all like, an exam or an essay at the end of a course, you finish each workshop with a project. That project comes from art therapy, and it is something called a mandala. I have a few that I've sort of graphic ones that I've painted back here, but these ones come from the workshop experience specifically. So they are a symbolic, visual, obviously, representation of what you, Sasha, anyone who participates in the workshop, realizes, learns, experiences. Just like a picture is 1,000 words, each one of these mandalas that you create for each workshop you choose to do, you can choose to do any ones you like. You can skip some, you can do all of them however you like. It's up to you. Each one of these behaves like a picture that we know speaks 1,000 words. If you go back and look at any of your photos, vacations, trips, special occasions, when you look at the photo, it's like opening a portal into that experience all over again, and all the memories and experiences and emotions and realizations come flooding back. That's why we say a picture is worth 1,000 words. I'm a person who believes very strongly that arts are not just for professional artists. The arts are a way for us to get to know ourselves and to learn. They are serious learning tools, and you do not have to be a professional artist, not even this much, to use art as a profound transformational and learning tool. If you don't believe me, take a workshop, join us, and you will find out. I cannot wait to see you here. September's workshop is mind-blowing because it is covering the one life skill that if you don't have, it kind of really doesn't matter if you have the other ones. If you want to know what it is, you're going to have to check it out on the shop just below here. Take a look, you'll have a description. The workshop's inexpensive. Take it, you won't regret it. And if you do, write to me at hello@savvyandspirited.blog and I'll refund you, but you won't regret it. See you soon.